Good morning, everyone. So, our today's topic in strategic human resource management is difference between traditional human resource management and strategic human resource management. So, there are various difference between traditional HRM and SHRM. So, at the shared PPT, you will see there are three columns, and in first column there are basis for differences. Then in second column there is features of traditional HRM, and in third column you will see features of SHRM. So on the basis of difference, let we understand what is the difference between traditional HRM and strategic human resource management. So first basis of difference is responsibility of HR. So this basis talks about how HR department is responsible for activities. So in traditional approach, staff personnel in HR department is the role and responsibility of HR executives. That means they are playing a role of staff, not the line managers. That means, see, there is a difference between line managers and staff managers. So the line managers are having superior authorities, but the staff personnel are not having superior authorities, but they have only played advisory role. So in traditional HRM, the HR department plays an advisory role, not the executive role or the role which comes into actions. So in traditional HRM, staff approach has been utilized for HR department, but in strategic HRM, we can see that the role of HR department is not just to advise other departments, but they need to strategically apply their capabilities and their techniques to uh, inculcate certain executory things into overall organization. So in SHRM, the role of HR department and responsibility of HR department is of line managers, and all managers responsible for people are in HR managers. Second basis of difference is focus of activity. That means all the activities in the HR department, the main focus of all the activities of HR department. So in traditional HRM, employee relationship is the main focus of HR department. That means the central activity of HR department is to maintain relation between employees and employer. So maintaining cordial relation between employees and employer is the only function or the only focus of HR department. Now the idea of employees has been changed. So in SHRM, employees has been treated as internal customers. So whatever is the importance of customer out of outside of the industries, that mean for your product, what is the whatever is the responsibility of you an organization towards its customer. So that also enlarges in the accountability for internal customers also. That means employee has been now treated as internal customer of your organization, and the overall organization has to be in a partnership with internal customers. That means the employee of the organization. Third basis is role of uh, human resource. So in traditional HRM, the role of human resource is transactional. That means moving toward from one phase to another phase is transactional HRM. So the HR department has to play a role of change agent there. That means the smooth transaction toward from one state of working to towards another state of working. Now in modern era, when the SHRM comes into focus, the HR department's role is considered as initiator and transformational. That means they transformational leadership or transformational or change leadership means they are not responsible, not only responsible for taking a person from one state to another state of change, but also creating an environment of change in the organization. That means they need to work as initiator of change. Now next basis of difference is uh, initiatives for change. In traditional HRM, there were uh, a concept that there is a resistance of change among the employees. So in traditional HRM, the process of change was slow, and as a reaction to any change in an external or internal environment of organization, that is to be fragmented change. But in SHRM, the change is considered as inevitable. So the fast and proactive change and integrated within all the department of organization is been implemented. Now next basis of difference is time horizon. That means for what time that means the responsibility of HR department in respect of time. So in traditional view of HRM, the responsibility of HR department in respect of time was considered as short term. That means uh, as when required only, the role of HR department come into focus. But in SHRM, the time horizon for HR activities or HR strategies can be short, medium, or long as necessary for taking change in an organization. Now next basis is the basis for difference in traditional HRM and SHRM is control. So in traditional HRM, the bureaucratic control through rules, procedures, and policies. So what is a bureaucratic environment? See, uh, in bureaucracy, it was believed that every work has to be done by a particular person in an organization, and every individual's authority is confined to that particular area of function only. But in SHRM, the organic control through flexibility and few restriction on employee behavior as possible. That means now the organizations become more flexible in terms of making policies and implementing policies in an organization. So it will become an organic control, not a forced control on towards employees in the organization. So control in traditional environment, you can say that it is very strict, and it follows all rules and regulations. That means there was a rigid kind of control techniques to be utilized in an organization in traditional HRM. But in SHRM, there are few flexibilities depending upon case to case and varies through the employees behavior. So the minimum restrictions can be applied on employees behavior aspects. Now next basis of difference is job design. So in traditional HRM, uh, division of labor was there because it follows the scientific management rules. So division of labor was there, and there was certain independence. That means two workers are can be independent to each other. That means they need not to coordinate all the activities all together. So every individual was doing their own work. So division of labor was there, independency of workers was there, and for each work there was an specialization. That means for every work an specialized person need to be placed. But in strategic human resource management, there was a fine line between division of labor and broad activities of organization. So in SHRM there were flexibility, there were interdependence, so that the all the activities in an organization need to be coordinated, and cross training teams are built. That means cross functional teams are built. That means in a particular team, every department need to be coordinate, and every department need to be contribute towards team. So there is a kind of interdependence between all the departments of an organization. Next basis of difference is key investment. So in traditional HRM, uh, the major areas where investment need to be done was in capital building for an organization, and uh, improving quality and quantity of products. But in SHRM, the main investment now, the organizations understand the importance of people, knowledge, and basically the human capital, importance of human capital. So in strategic human resource management, the key investment areas are people, innovation, knowledge, and similar things. Next basis of difference is accountability. That means which department is accountable for what. That means for HR department, what was the accountability of HR department, and how an organization consider HR department. So in traditional HRM, the HR department was considered as cost center. That means this is the HR department is the department where no revenue is generated. It is only cost which is involved in HR department. There is no direct contribution in revenue of organization. But in modern approach and in SHRM, uh, the HR department is considered as investment centers. That means it is not just a cost, it is an investment which we can uh, reimburse throughout the process and through coming years. So these are the basic differences between traditional HRM and SHRM. Thank you.